Good evening, students. I'm going to show you how to do the question number 43. Actually, I'm inside the paper. I have already logged into the system and I just clicked reattempt question. Now I'm inside the paper. Okay. So I'm going to see how can I do this question number 43. Now, the question is the spreadsheet population.xl is in the Q43 folder. Now we have to go to Q43 folder. I have already opened the folder. I have to go to Q43 folder. So inside that population Excel sheet is there. So I just opened it and then I go to the question paper. It says in the Q3 folder contains the population data for some of the district as published by the Central Bank of Sri Lanka for the year 2017. The spreadsheet needs to be analyzed by following the instructions given below to find out various other related statistics. Okay. Now open the population.xls spreadsheets in the Q43 folder and save it as a XLS file in the Q43 folder with the file name Q43. So I have to save this. So what I am going to do, I'm going to file, then save as, and the folder which I am already in, the JIT mock exam source file Q43 is already selected. So here what I have to do, I have to change the name only Q43. Okay, file name. Here you can see save as type is Excel worksheet. That's okay. I'll press save. Now the name has been changed to Q42. Okay. You can see the name has been changed to Q43. So I'll just go back to the question. Here it says make all column headings boldface and center aligned. I have to go back to the Excel sheet. It says make all column headers bold faces. Now I have to select it and press bold face. And what does another thing is, I have to center align it. Okay. So I have to center align. Here the center alignment, center align. I'll center align it. And I have to center align another one. This is the horizontal alignment. This is the vertical alignment. When we consider about a cell has two alignments. One is vertical alignment from top to bottom and the horizontal alignment from left to right. So both we have to make as center. Now this one is vertical, this one is horizontal. I have selected both options as center. Then insert a column after column E and name it as a total area, bold face and center. After column E, I have to add a column and say total area. I'll go to this place. After E, I have to add. So I have to select F. Then I have to press right mouse button and say insert. So if I want to add a column or a row, I have to select the next column where I want to add the column, the next to that, the behind column or the down row I have to select and right click on it and say insert. If I want to add 2 or 3 columns at the same time, then I have to select behind 2 columns if I want to add 2 columns in between, or 2 rows down rows to insert 2 rows in between. Okay, I think you can remember if you just go through these video lessons, you might have come across this. Okay, now we'll go back to the next question. Before going to next question, here this is total area, type total area and then bold face and center it. So I'm going to boldface it and center it. Okay, and we'll go back there, and it says write a suitable formula in cell FT2 to calculate the total land area in Colombo district using the equation. So what I can do, I can arrange like this. Even I can arrange this small like this, then I can just read and do the question. Okay, now we'll go the question. It says write a suitable formula in cell F2. Cell F2, I'm going to make this small also. Both of them I have, both of the files I have changed. And then here I'm going to type a formula. It says write a suitable formula in cell F2 to calculate the total land area in Colombo district using the equation total area is equal to usable land area plus forest area plus inland water land, which means we have to add these three. So here I'm going to formula. I have to add the formula, which means I have to put equation mark, and then I have to select this cell, press plus, select this, add symbol, and then select this and press enter. It will come. Okay, then it says copy the formula written in cell F2 to the cell F3 to F10 to find the total land area for the other district. Now this is Colombo district, so we are going to find the other district total areas. Okay, it came like this. What I have done, I have just selected what I have the typed the formula typed cell, and then go to the fill handle. Can you see the thick cross became thin here? So I have to click on this, left click, and drag the mouse button down and release it. It automatically fills up the formulas accordingly. Can you see? Earlier we put C2, D2, E3, E2, but now it has become C3, D3, E3. This is because we have put relative cell references, which means it wherever it goes, it change accordingly. Okay, that's why this has become Z3, D3, E3. Okay, we'll go to the next question. Write a suitable formula in cell G2 to calculate the density of population for the Colombo district using the equation. And again, they have given a tip. Density of population is equal population divided by usable land area. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to put a formula here. The total the population I have to select, and then I have to divide it by usable land area. So this is how I am going to put that formula. Press enter button, it will come to there, and it says copy the formula written in cell G2 to the cell G3 to G10 to find density of population for the other district. So what I am going to do, I'll select this and drag it down. Now we'll go to the next question. Western province is comprised of Colombo, Gampaha and Kautura districts. Draw a pie chart with data labels to show population density for the three districts of the Western province. So these are the three districts of Western province. I have to put a pie chart for these three districts. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to select this districts, and they are asking me to put population density. Okay, so I have to press control button here because these two are in two different places. So I have to select this, and then what I have to do, I have to go to insert pie chart and put a pie. So it will give the pie chart like this. You have to remember here very carefully. Now you have to select the district names, and then you have to select the density of population. but these two are in two different places. So once you have selected one, you have to press control button and you have to select the other part, and then you have to go for the work you have to do. Now here it says 3 of the Western Province. Now they are showing, okay, Colombo is this, Gapa is this, Kautar is this. Okay, then write a suitable formula in cell G11. Cell G11 to identify the maximum density of population in a given district. Okay, maximum population density. So what I have to do, I have to go to this G11 cell and I have to type equal maximum. Okay, yeah, maximum density, and I have to give the cell range where the data is there. Okay, from out of these data, show me the maximum value. That's what I am saying. Now here you can see the highest density population where it resides. Okay, now here the next one is draw a double line border around the data area A1 to G11. A1 to G11, draw a double border area. I can go to these border lines, and here actually I have to go for more borders because whatever they are asking is not there. Now they are asking draw a double line border around the data area A1 to G11. So double lines I can select, and I have to select this, then the area will be selected. Then and draw a horizontal line below the titles to separate the titles from the data. And then I have to draw a line below the title. So I'll okay this, and then what I have to do, I have to select this title place, and then from here even I can select, can see borders, the underlined, the bottom border. Okay, comes like this. Okay, now that is what you have to do. You have to save this document. We have already saved it as Q43, so I have to just press this save button. It will save it. Okay, then you have to upload it. What I have to do, I have to go to this place, the question paper. I have to go to the question paper and go to upload button, press it and say upload file. Then you have to go to choose file, and then you have to select that JIT mock exam source file Q43 folder, and find Q43 question answered one. Here it will come to this place and we have to say upload this file. So question 43 has been done. Okay, here you can see it's attached. So if you want to finish this attempt, you can finish it off and you can go do the rest in another day, or else if you know the other things, you can do other things and then afterward you can log out from the system. So I hope you could do the 43 question without any problem, but if you have any problem with the software, you can watch the videos about Excel, how we handle Excel, how we create Excel worksheets and all those stuff. Okay, have a good day.